Hi, I'm Lisa Anderson with this week's Supply Chain Byte. So what's top of mind is the importance of reshoring in combination with vertical integration and/or strategic partnerships. Why am I saying this? Well, with the recent closure of the Strait of Hormuz, oil and natural gas products are in shortages throughout the world. With that said, the U.S. has plentiful supply, although impacted by increased costs as it's a global priced product. And more importantly, they're also impacted with fertilizer because fertilizer is derived from natural gas and petroleum products, and we import 50% of fertilizers. So what's being done? The U.S. is easing the transportation rules, is opening up supply from Venezuela, and is fast tracking the permits within 45 days to CF Industries so that they can open up in Louisiana the largest ammonia plant in the world. Ammonia is used to produce nitrogen fertilizers, so they are reshoring and vertically integrating. What should we be taking away? We need to be thinking about reshoring, nearshoring, where your supply is in location to your customers, and how you're going to make sure that you can secure the end-to-end supply chain so you can deliver, like in this case, food security, food reliability, and/or products successfully to your customers.